Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now we have to tap on the status and find the build number, which is not here. Let's tap on software version maybe. Yes, and here we've got the build number, and all you have to do right now is keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm, and as you can see, the developer mode has been turned on. Now we can get back to the options, and under About Phone we've got developer options. So let's tap on it. And here we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the window animation scale, show surface updates, or show visual feedback for taps. If you want to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Of course, if you want to turn it off, just go back to the feature and tap on the switcher again. I know that you can see some options without the switcher, for example like here in the window animation scale, but no worries, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. Okay, so if you are done with the customization of developer options, just tap on this switcher to turn them off. Let's get back, and as you can see, they immediately disappears, and from now on you won't be able to customize them. But no worries, if you want to personalize them again, then go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.